Yummy, yummy. Ito yung food nila. Paksiw.
You have both trucks? Yeah, let's see that lot. There's one more for everything underneath. Yeah.
I think we're good.
This is Pecan Road, Pecan Park Road,
Pecan
guys.
RV
Park. So this is what it looks like here. You got a concrete
Slab. Concrete slab to pull your rig
concrete
on.
slab right here. And look, all those RV here. This is their main.
One after another after another.
Oh, diba?
Lots of people do this for a living.
Yep.
Travel in an RV. Live out of their RV, sell their house. Don't have to pay taxes to the government anymore.
Yeah, you can see it. Look at all the fifth wheel down there, honey.
Yeah, I know. They're all fifth
my.
wheels. Majority of them are fifth wheels.
Yeah. Right, the other side. Right here. They are close to the airport, right?
Yeah.
Jacksonville. Jackson. Oh, look at
Ville
that
International Airport.
That's a nice
Redwood. The Redwood fifth wheel.
Redwood.
There's a mobile suites.
Oh, look at that mobile suite. Those are the top of the line, guys.
One of the top of the
Those are
lines.
very nice.
Van Lay's another top of the line.
Yeah. 336. Oh, we have to go in the back, right?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's where they're at.
Wow.
I'm not watching the numbers. There's a Cedar Creek Champagne edition.
Oh, wow. See?
That's the top of the line.
Wait,
in Cedar
look, that
Creek.
one. Those are very nice, too. Oh, my. See, look at the big bus. Pang Hollywood.
What number are we at here? I'm not even paying attention.
There's another
What's
one.
it say over here? 604 to 703.
That side?
So where's 300s? We
Where's
must
the
win by it.
300? She said it's by the...
There it is. There's the LP gas right there.
Yeah. Said they're by the LP gas.
There's a truck right there. There they
Oh,
are.
there they are.
Look at that.
And so
Right
this
on
is
the
the
end.
back?
He's like,
There's a lot of people here. Where are we gonna park?
I think he's going to park right next to his rig.
There's a vacant lot there.
Oh, okay. Yep. That'll
On
work.
your right, sir.
Yep. Perfect, perfect. A naked lot, she said.
Naked lot. So we're gonna park this empty lot over here, guys. Hopefully nobody will come here, honey. Right?
There's a Cameo. I forget who makes that, but they're pretty
Cameo.
decent, too.
I think there's a cardinal. Look at that cardinal over there.
Oh, yeah. See the roof though on that? Look at the roofs on all these
Yeah.
RVs. They're just like ours. They need to be replaced eventually.
Here guys at the RV park sa kaibigan ko. Kasi meron kaming New Year late lunch, I think. And I have this fruit salad. Kakaibang fruit salad. And si Jim. Diet ginger ale. So let's go. Let's walk. It's just almost the same here as where they are before, right? And it's more cheaper here. So here guys, I think you paid 800 something dollar a month, monthly. Yeah. So it's a little cheaper than where they are before. But ours is cheaper where we are because it's only 650 a month we paid. So this is where they are. See, that's theirs. That's their RV, fifth wheel, their truck.
What? Because I wasn't home. I didn't even realize you guys left that tool back here.
That's okay, you got another one.
Oh, this is a nice site.
Yeah, this is bigger. Yeah.
You got your yard.
Fire agents for all the neighbor dogs with this on.
Kill all those. Hey, this is the dog's best friend right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We got fire agents.
So this is their setup here, guys. Yummy, yummy.
Move that off of that towel, please.
And Matt had some ham.
Which game do you want?
Georgia. Georgia Cincy.
Did they win it?
No, they're getting beat by Cincy.
Yummy.
Eat here outside.
Yeah, it's nice in here, Papa. Kalami. Fish. Mo na imong galamgang ko pa?
Is this your antenna on the truck?
I just don't know where they are.
That's what we do. Is I buy them at Harbor Freights and Tools.
I got like 6 of them.
Yeah, they work slick. Where's Ivan? What's he?
Ta-da!
He's inside. He's eating already. Can you check here?
I would, but I'm not tall enough.
Ay! Malit.
Right. Then I find it and I'm over there. I have to remember that there when I need it.
Mm.